Okay guys, today we're going to be repairing a refrigerator DC inverted motor. This motor takes 120 volts in, and inside the motor it converts it to DC. I have clipped the end off regular harness, clipped it off so I can hook it up to my makeshift power supply that I rigged up from my old drop cord, so I can show you the before and after. First thing I'm going to do is tie these wires together and plug it in and show you that the fan motor does not work. I'm going to take this rubber band and tie around the motor shaft so you can see that the motor spins. But it doesn't spin like it's supposed to. Oops. Try not to get shocked. I'm just going to plug it in. It's not working. But you can see it bump whenever I plug it in. Show you again. That's it. So I'm going to fix this motor where we won't have to buy a new one. So now we're going to take it apart by removing these 4 screws around the outside. We're going to pull it apart. It should come apart fairly easily. And you'll see the inside. Now what's wrong with this motor is these 2 small capacitors. If you'll notice, top of them are slightly bubbled up. So let me show you one that's not bubbled so you can see what it looks like. That's what we got. So we're going to need to replace these 2. So next you get your handy dandy soldering iron. And we're just going to take these off. We're going to get our new ones, which is a, I don't know if you can see this or not, but they focus, a 0.47 UF, same as the old ones. .47 UF. Okay, I spared you guys the soldering. If you don't know how to do that, you probably shouldn't be this far in. But anyway, you can see I got my 2 capacitors changed out, and it should be ready to go. So I'm going to put it all back together and we'll give it a test run. Got it all back together and I got my rubber band tied on, and going to plug it in and see how it does. And there you go. That's how you fix your DC inverted fan motor, so you don't have to buy a new one. Thanks for watching.